Okay, ladies, anybody 21 to 40 that wants to do the keg roll contest. So what we do is you have to start behind the line, and whether you want to kick it, push it, whatever you want to do, it's one big roll to see how far it goes. Whoever gets the furthest.
I need some competition.
Can't throw it. You gotta start on the ground and stay on the ground. Jolene is first one up.
Yeah, Jolene!
Go. I don't gotta count down.
You got it. You got it. Don't look.
Go, 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 go!
Come on, thing. You gotta put a J for Jolene. There you go.
Okay. There goes Rick and Lynn.
Right? Yep. Sideways. That left leg of yours is stronger. Woo! Yeah.
You see that?
Here comes Jordan. Let's wait for the dog to cross.
I have enough of you.
Well, I'm just saying the reason she gets it all is that she squared. Yeah, well, she squared up.
And now we have Holly.
Good part of that dog. Well, it was straight, but it was like,
So Jolene is the winner. We'll get your prizes.
okay, thank you.
Okay, so now I have women 40 and up. Okay, first up we have Angela. Go for it.
Go, Angela!
Use your legs. That didn't work. Use your legs. That didn't work. Okay,
Next up is Jana.
Go, Janet! Don't kick the top. Yes.
Kick the bottom.
Next up is Jermaine.
Jermaine? Go, girl.
You can do whatever you want.
Shit. I just did one.
I think that's kind of a tie.
Hey, Jolene, what do you win?
I don't know.
Next up is Betty.
Come on, girl. You got this. Oh. So what's the rule? I don't. You just gotta kick it, or you just gotta do it.
Look good. I know, Bob.
Next up is Sandra.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I was going. I could have thrown it farther than that. Okay, no problem.
I saw everyone out there. I'm like, okay, I have to join in because I can go.
There you go. Yeah.
These are winners so far.
That was really good thinking. That was like the grandkids. That was good.
Next up is Mary.
There it is.
Last but not least is Julie.
No, not that bad.
Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, let's see. Wait.
Right on with that.
There it is. It's close.
Oh, it's really close. I think it's like
Oh, nice. Good things up there.
a tie. The young one and the old one.
Julie, stick around and you'll get your prize when we're all done, okay? Next up is men 21 to 40. Men 21 to 40. Okay, Marcus is first up. You can kick it, you can push it with your hands, you can whatever. It just has to start on the ground and stay on the ground.
Ready?
I'm going to start him. Kyle's next up.
You got it. Don't show us all up. How far can I roll it backwards first?
As far as you want. You just can't go over the line. All right. Next up is Will. Come on, Will.
Yeah. Oh, man. Keep reaping. Dang it.
Not quite. Next up is Nolan. Now we have Justin. Real close. Next up is Carter. And last but not least is Waylon. Who, hauls cakes around all day, so let's see what he's got.
Probably went the farthest, just not the straightest.
So Nolan is our winner. 40 Nut Man, come sign up. Hey, first up is Larry. Oh yes, oh yes. You sling kegs all day long and you asked if you could enter right now. Come on.
Stay on the ground, leave it on the ground, right? Yep.
Oh, good.
Appreciate you letting me use it.
Yeah.
The holding contest, we just show up over there later too?
Yep.